Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to purchase the Mali phone number from KrispCall. To purchase the Mali phone number from KrispCall, visit KrispCall.com and either create an account or log in. Navigate to My Numbers by clicking the plus icon or accessing it through Settings. Click Purchase New Number. From a list of countries, select Mali. Click Buy Number after choosing your desired number type. Give a name to your selected number and add it to your cart. You must submit the document containing your ID and local address to our customer department to get your Mali phone number. Click on Confirm Purchase. Once your Mali phone number is activated, you can make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.